This episode explores a gentle seasonal cough and how thyme tea with honey can ease symptoms for children, women, and men. Historically used in Mediterranean kitchens, thyme contains thymol, which helps loosen mucus, while honey coats irritated throats. For kids, steep a mild infusion, let it cool, and add a small spoon of honey only if age permits. Adults can savor thyme tea with a squeeze of lemon and consider a warm steam inhalation to ease throat irritation. Always consult a pediatrician for chronic coughing and avoid giving honey to very young children to prevent risks.